Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. In today's video, we are discussing how Uber is actually raising rates for drivers right now. And this comes at a shocking time when Uber's stock price is plummeting. Uber's head of rides just quit the company. Drivers are striking across the nation. We're gonna get into these new bonuses, new rates for drivers. Let's get into it. Please thumbs up the video if you want more driver pay. I think we all do. And firstly, I want to thank our sponsor, Current. Current is a new bank that pays you 4% interest on your savings. You can get paid up to 2 days faster when you sign up for direct deposit and a whole lot more. And they actually don't have any chargebacks for negative balances up to $200. So go check out the link below for Current. It's free to sign up and you can get points cash back. It's an awesome card to get and bank account if you're looking for a new bank. Again, 4% APY is really, really good. Highest I've seen. Current down below. Use our code. All right. So I want to share with you guys this email that I just got from Uber. Uber is really desperate for drivers right now, for active drivers, getting drivers, giving rides. Look at this email that I just got. I want to comment down below. How much are you getting? How much are you making per day? I want to hear from you guys. Look at that, my friends. Make $200 extra when you complete 5 trips in Orange County. They're giving you $40 bonus per rides in Orange County, California. That's crazy. Are you guys seeing these in your area? Comment your Quest bonus down below. You can make extra money with this promotion. Again, this is on top of your normal ride. We're offering a promotion that may help you earn if you choose to drive this weekend. This offer is in addition to any other promotion. So if there's any other quests, I can do that plus this one. And that's pretty awesome. So take 5 trips, earn an extra $200. And also wanted to share this article. Uber is to increase rates following fuel price hike. We all know gas prices right now are through the roof. Let's check up the gas prices in California. Down the street, I just paid $6.50 for gas. Yeah, $6.30, $6.54. Costco gas is even over $6 now, which is crazy, my friends. Yeah, usually Costco's like, pretty cheap. But listen to this. Taxi hailing app Uber is set to increase its rates following the fuel hike announced earlier this week. The company will, over the next 2 weeks, increase its prices in line with the SH9 increase on fuel on June 14th. Which, by the way, I wanted to just share this story really quick. The head of Uber's US and Canada rides division is leaving the company. Dennis Sinelli, Uber's head of rides in the US and Canada, is departing for a top role at startup Scale AI. Another exec leading the company's grocery business announced his departure last month. Uber stock is down 42% since the beginning of the year. Listen to this. The head of Uber's rides business in the US and Canada, Dennis Sinelli, is stepping down. According to people familiar with the matter, he is the latest among a handful of top-level execs that have left Uber in the past 6 months. Are you as a driver thinking about quitting as well? Along with the entire gig economy sector has struggled on the public markets. They're talking about the stock price, obviously. Sinelli has been with which we'll take a look at in a second here. Sinelli has been with the company since 2016 and held key position within Uber's finance team. He was instrumental in taking Uber public in 2019. As its global head of strategic finance and later ran its scooters and micromobility division Jump, he briefly left the company for a stint at Bird. He went to literally work at a rival company. Isn't that crazy? Because Uber's scooter company is Jump, and he left to go work at Bird, but then returned a few months later. That's actually funny. There's some drama going on there. Since March 2021, he has served as a vice president and head of mobility for the US and Canada. You think that Uber would actually, promote people who are loyal to the company, not people who leave to go work at a rival company. Like, I don't know about you, but if I had an employee and they left to go work at a rival and then they came back, I don't even know if I would accept them if they just left me in the dust like that. Some insiders had tapped Sinelli as next in line to be Uber's CFO. But instead, he left the company. That means that Uber is underwater, my friends. Uber is not doing well. I mean, why would you leave the company at such a pivotal time to go work at this other company called Scale AI? Like, who cares about Scale AI? I don't know. Maybe they know something we don't. because maybe they know that, maybe this guy thinks that robots are gonna be the future drivers. You know, these autonomous vehicles. What do you guys think about that? Which, let's take a look at Uber's stock price right now. It's trading at $21.81. Actually, for one of the first times, up 6%. But if you go to the 5-year mark, look how much it's down. It's been down almost at an all-time low, 22 bucks in March 2020. Most stocks were really down around here. It dropped almost half its price in a matter of weeks, and then now, my friends, down to went to 20 bucks, and now it's at 21.81. But there is short interest. Wow, look at this. Uber Technologies was the recipient of a significant drop in short interest in May. As of May 31st, there was a short interest totaling 74 million shares, drop of 18%. Several equities analysts have recently issued reports on Uber shares. Oppenheimer dropped their price target on shares of Uber Tech from 45 to 40 in a research on, wow, so they're actually dropping their target price. Morgan Stanley dropped their price target of shares of Uber from 72 to 68. It's an overweight rating of the company. Wow, my friends. Let's take a look at Uber's earnings report. Let's see how it did. August 3rd. So its last earnings report. Uber Q1 earnings. Uber reports surging revenue as drivers return, but post massive loss on investments. Uber on Wednesday reported surging revenue during the first quarter as the ride-hailing company recovers from its coronavirus lows. Mobility revenues have finally surpassed delivery revenues. The company reported a net loss of $5.9 billion for the first quarter. Could you imagine? Uber lost $5.9 billion bucks, which is said was primarily due to its equity investment in Grab, Aurora, and Didi. Uber once they reported surging revenue, blah, blah, blah. Loss per share, 18 cents. Uber said it expects to generate meaningful positive cash flows for full year 2022. I mean, honestly, if that is the case, we will see what happens. But if Uber actually expects positive cash flows, meaning profit, that could be, you know, monumental for the company. Uber actually turned a profit for once. And again, let's take a look at this article, which, you know, the headline of this video is about Uber's increasing rates following fuel price hike. I believe this is a test phase because it's going in East Africa. According to head of Uber East Africa, Imran Manji, the company is reviewing its prices with an aim of meeting drivers' costs without hurting the brand. Uber Chap Chap. The review will find a sweet spot but not destroying demand by pricing and ensuring that drivers cover the costs. And I believe this could be coming to America as well, where drivers start getting paid more money. I don't know, my friends, this could actually potentially be a good, you know, because usually Uber would say, oh, we're just banking on autonomous vehicles, that's where we're gonna hit profit. They're saying that they're looking to hit positive cash flow this year. So anyways, want to share that quick update with you guys. Could potentially be good for drivers, and you know, I just wanted to share any positive news that I can because I don't think there's much out there. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.